This could be the car for you. The 2019 Lexus GX. With less than 25,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Take your passion for comfort along on every adventure in this bold and capable GX. From the driver-focused cockpit within its peaceful cabin to its deluxe passenger amenities, this 3-row luxury trail machine satisfies like no other. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, sun, moonroof, electronic stability control, 3rd-row seat, seat memory, running boards, intermittent wipers, universal garage door opener, trip computer, power windows. Take luxury on the road to adventure in this stylish GX. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.